You came home this morning. Ah, what a shock. When you found out your key no longer fit my lock. Oh, baby, you just go on back to where you've been. While you were stepping out, someone else is stepping in. I was that fool you could always count on, sneaking in at midnight 'cause you could not find anybody else at home. Oh, I done found myself a new friend. Yeah, while you were stepping out on me, I got someone else been stepping in. So cry your heart out, baby. You won't get through to me, 'cause I'm a brand new woman. So anybody can see I've got a new way of walking, long overdue. This broken-hearted lover ain't crying over you. I got you wearing my hair. You listening? Got a smile on my face, honey. You did not put it there. No, baby. Hey, go on back to wherever you been, baby. That's why you've been stepping out on me. I've been busy. I got someone else been stepping in. You can cry all you want to, honey. That's almost it. Almost good. That's what you used to do. That's what you used to do, honey. Well, listen what this man does. You know. Got someone else stepping in. someone else.